Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off activity status in WhatsApp without any third-party application. So let's go to WhatsApp first. After go to WhatsApp, you will find here top right corner three dot icon. Click on this. Now go to settings. Now you can see here the second option, privacy. Click on this. Now scroll the first option, last seen and online. Click on this. Make sure it is on nobody if you want to turn off your activity status online, and do the second thing same as last seen. So make sure the settings are active in your phone and you will be offline while messaging in WhatsApp. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.